Find the picture for that to stay there. Don't come back. Don't come back. Why do you think you kidnapped Justin? I don't think he...
That is still hilarious. Just my aunt going, whatever that is in there.